Hello everyone and welcome to my economics presentation called Advantages and Disadvantages of Using Mathematics in Economics. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Alejandro Acuña and I am an economic student at Santo Tomás University. Okay, so now let's get started. As you can see, those are the main topics. And in this video, I'm going to talk about mathematics and economics mainly. I would like to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using mathematics in economics. So I will start by defining what economics is, in which economic aspect we commonly use mathematics, and I will make a relationship between the way in which we use mathematics to maximize our benefits and make better decisions. In addition to this, I will talk about the article Reconceptualizing War to explain the way in which they are related to economics, war, and mathematics, and also the article Philosophy, Mathematics, and Paradoxes, through which we will have a different view on the importance of mathematics in life and the existence. So, I'm going to start defining what is economy. Economics is a social science that is responsible for distributing limited resources to cover the unlimited needs of our society. As well as the book Think as an Economist says, scarcity is almost a human condition, and if it did not exist, our life would lose great meaning and the economy will no longer have to worry about managing resources properly. Mathematics in economics. As many know, mathematics complement economics, and that is why they are represented in some subjects of my degree, such as differential calculus, integral calculus, economic statistics, financial analysis, microeconomics, among others. So, the use of mathematics in economics is important as it complements the theory and helps us, through functions and different processes, to achieve the economic subject set. The philosophy of mathematics. Reading the article Philosophy, Mathematics, and Paradoxes, for Descartes, mathematics has a strong relationship with religion. So he believes that mathematics is innate in the human being, and mathematics can help the exact science and social science, such as economics. But for the philosopher Aristotle, this is not true, since he believes that mathematics is not the answer to everything. There are rational decisions and emotion in which mathematics cannot intervene. Is in here mainly where the arguments rise that affirm that mathematics has advantages and disadvantages when solving social essential problems, in this case economics problems. Now I would like to talk about the war as an economic and political conflict. And I have 3 advantages of mathematics and I have 2 disadvantages of mathematics, but I think you also can see one. Okay, so I'm going to start with the advantages of mathematics in the war. War is sometimes for economic reasons, so mathematics could help us to obtain the greatest benefit. The second one, we can use mathematics to carry out a strategic process in war, to know the numbers of soldiers or weapons that we will use. And the third one, a statistical strategy on many occasions can ensure a victory. And now I'm going to talk about the two disadvantages of mathematics in war. War between people involves having feelings involved, and feelings cannot be measured with numbers. And the second one, the process of a company cannot be compared with the process of a government that leads a war. Because in the war, the emotions, moral, and ethic of each person involved are mixed. Therefore, it is something subjective. Now, think as an economist. Maximize your benefits and make the best decision. Mathematics in economics help us to: number one, maximize our benefits and reduce our losses. Number two, choose the options that provide us with the greatest benefits. This by analyzing the numerical cost and benefits. And number three, distribute scarce resources so that we can make better use of them. However, on some occasions, as we saw in the book Think as an Economist, mathematics does not help us to make some economic decisions, since in some cases the cost or benefits cannot be calculated numerically. And although the best decisions seem to be the ones that give us the greatest economical benefits, we are going to choose the ones that give us the greatest emotional benefit. So, move on the last item. I have the final ideas to conclude. In those final ideas, I'm going to talk the advantages and the disadvantages of mathematics in the economy. First, the advantages. The mathematics help to make better financial decisions, and they predict people's economic decisions. And number two, not only helps in economics, because mathematics can help also in chemistry, physics, or statistics. And now the disadvantages of mathematics in economy. The number one, the economy is not exact, so it does not need the use of mathematics every time. And the second one, in practice or real life, the same mathematical results are not obtained as in the theory, and not all our actions can be measured by a numerical form. So, now, the following links are from the two articles and the first chapter of the book Think as an Economist. And the information that I just said was obtained from these three sources of information. So if you want to expand any topic, you can go to those links. So now, this is the end of the video, and I would like to thank you for your time and apologize for my pronunciation and my grammar mistakes. So, thank you for your time.